Moving on in the national news. In a major tragedy, Indian Air Force Tejas fighter jet crashed during a flying display at the Dubai Airshow 2025 today. The pilot was killed in the fatal crash. According to official, the HAL manufactured fighter jet went down at approximately 2:10 local time while performing aerial maneuvers. Multiple eyewitnesses' videos showed the aircraft appearing to lose balance before nosediving and crashing at a distance from the spectator area. Emergency response teams immediately moved in as smoke billowed across the airfield. The incident occurred during one of the aviation industry's most prominent events, where India's indigenous Tejas jet was participating in a scheduled display to highlight the country's defense manufacturing capabilities. The Indian Air Force confirmed that the pilot suffered critical injuries in the crash and later succumbed to his injuries. In a post on X, Indian Air Force informed that an IAF Tejas met with an accident during an aerial display at Dubai Airshow. The pilot sustained fatal injuries in the accident. It also added that IAF deeply regrets the loss of life and stands firmly with the bereaved family in this time of grief. A court of inquiry is being constituted to ascertain the cause of the accident.